Happy New Year, everyone! Afomalo. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I know this is different from my usual skincare videos, but I'm excited to share more of my life tips with you guys. So I'll be expanding the channel this year to include lifestyle vlogs because I want you to just know the real me and not just skincare girl. Ega Amazina. So today I'm not just cooking one or two, but I'm cooking 4 different things and I'm using firewood. Oh, so look at what we are cooking. Today we are cooking bitter leaf soup because the new year must start with something bitter so that the rest of the year will be sweet. We are also cooking banga soup. This one color alone will make you hungry. White rice and white beans. Trust me, if you haven't tried this combination, you are missing a lot of delicacy. Okay guys, the first mission is to prepare the bitter leaf soup. So in my dialect it is called ofodumu. Wash the bitter leaf like your life depends on it. You need to remove all the bitterness well. My auntie always says if your arm is not paining you, the bitter leaf is not yet ready. And guess what? While squeezing out the bitterness out of this leaf, the water will start looking black. So I have to do this for like 3 to 4 times so that my soup will be tasty. Now the most important thing is this firewood part. Do you know I almost forgot how to set this? Oh my goodness. You know, this is where the village skill comes in. You know, when I'm in the city doing my skincare videos with my ring light and everything looks perfect, but now the village skill is out. So first thing first, we need to cook this banga seed. This seed is called apple in Igbo. Yes, so the main reason why we are boiling this is to soften the seed so that we can extract the juice very well. Yes. So the next thing that we're doing is to wash this cocoyam. This cocoyam in my dialect it is called ede. Yes. Now let me check if this banga seed is ready to pound. As you can see, it is boiling and it is soft already. Yes. So now this is where the work starts. You're going to separate it from the water and put it in your mortar, which is called odo in Igbo. So now we're going to bring down the seed off the fire. Yes, and we're not going to pound the water and the seed together. We're going to sieve it like this and start pounding. Yes, this is where the work starts. Now this is the part of the workout. Start pounding or smashing. Who needs gym when we are here pounding banga? Village gym members, where are you guys? Come. Okay, now let's save some time. I'm switching to gas cooker for the rest. You know, in the village we have both. First, let me cook all the proteins, mix stockfish, dry fish, season them with salt, maggi and onion. So okay, this will take about 20 to 30 minutes to get tender while cooking it. So let me check the cocoyam if it is ready. Why this will be ready as well. Okay, coming outside here, this is the cocoyam which is ready. It is soft for pounding. As you can see it here, we are going to take out the back of this cocoyam and pound. This is the part that we're going to pound. Yes, so this is all we're going to do. Take out the back and pound. So it is time to pound cocoyam. This cocoyam is forming hard guy for me. Mr. Cocoyam, please cooperate with me. See, this cocoyam has attitude that doesn't want to soften easily. So after pounding this, I have to rest, then continue. So this is the banga soup. Remember, we have extracted the juice and this is it boiling. Oh my goodness, this is delicious. So these are the kind of food you need to taste. So the next is this scent leaf. A lot of you know this leaf. It is called alibo or nchion in my dialect. So this leaf, oh my goodness, after adding this leaf in this banga soup, you will bite off your fingers while eating. So once you're done with the leaf, then the next thing is to wash it, slice the leaves. Yes, then you pound your ose, which is known as pepper and crayfish. Yes, put a lot of crayfish because this banga soup needs a lot of crayfish. So when you're done pounding it, you add it to the banga soup. Yes, for tasty. Then when you are done, check out this banga soup, guys. This is so delicious. This is tasty. You need to try this. These are the kind of soup, the kind of food you need to eat for your skin to refresh, glow. So guys, now let's continue with the onugbo soup, the bitter leaf soup. Yes, of course, it must be cooked today. Yes, so as you can see currently here, it is ready, everything is ready. Yes, so what I need to do is to add my ede, the cocoyam. So now I'm going to add my bitter leaf, which is known as onumu. Yes, I'm adding it. So now we are done adding it. We'll add our red oil. Yes, we'll add this red oil to make it colorful and tantalizing, delicious as well. Yes. So currently now look at the stage we are. It is boiling. You allow it to boil very well. Yes, before you add your ogiri. Yes. So without wasting time, we are going to add this our ogiri. As you can see it here, add it. So guys, this is what we have here. Can you see how the soup is tantalizing, delicious and tasty? Yes. So this is it. Here comes the end of this video. So this is what we are going to eat today, and no, I'm going to eat my banga soup. Yeah. So this is it, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please, if you like this video, if you enjoyed the video, please do well to like, share, subscribe, turn on the notification button for you to get notified whenever I upload a new video. And for my returning subscribers, thank you. You guys are the best, and see you guys in my next video. Watch this video till the end. The video still continues. Keep watching. Bye. Thank you.